Hey guys, welcome back.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.
In a tap of magic, we'll be right back.
Oh, we can't do magic on this.
Yeah, I can.
You don't have magic. Alright, let's get this filming.
Oh, first we gotta go see what's here. Come on.
Alright, guys. Go to the...
Where's the airport?
Oh my god!
Oh my
I
god.
got one piece. Where's the rest of her?
Oh my gosh, you missed the
You
piece.
missed a complete one.
That red piece right there. They're in there right now.
Oh no, missed one.
We will be down there.
In the office.
What are you doing?
Filming.
So where's the other one?
Where's the other one, Trevor?
Somewhere in my closet, that's all. Alright, let's go, It's somewhere high.
He found the whole thing. He found the whole thing.
Okay, got.
Go!
This isn't good! I will have to hide them in the morning! Like 3. Alright, guys.